Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Ayan, so for Virgo, ito guys, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Check mo yung natal chart mo. Start natin ng reading, no? Bago ako magsimula, magpapa-bell lang ako ng Tibetan bell to cleanse the space. So, hinaan mo na lang yung volume mo, ha? Start na natin. Okay, so this is for the sign of Virgo. Para sa gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, ha? Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, sa Messenger, sa TikTok. Ayan. Sa YouTube, meron din siya YouTube channel. Search mo na lang siya. Okay, so this is for the sign of Virgo. Main energy ni Virgo. Nine of Wands is here. So, nakakita ko ng challenges sa'yo ngayon dito. So, might be may mga challenges kang kinakaharap ngayon. Pwedeng hindi mo marating pa sa ngayon yung mga bagay na gusto mong marating. Pero nakikita natin na sinusubukan mo or tinatry mo eh. Or yung iba sa inyo, itong challenge na ito, I feel like pwedeng may idea ka na or alam mo na mararating mo itong bagay na ito. Pero may sagabal lang, meron lang nagiging blockage, meron lang yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may isang pagkakamali ka nagawa. May something na nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi mo pa ma-reach yung goals mo sa ngayon. The Magician is here, so I feel like God or the universe, whatever you believe in, is showing you something. And it's giving you something. Nakakita ko na meron siyang ibinibigay sa'yo. This is a very beautiful thing. Kung ano man to, I see this as the Empress. Kung ano man binibigay nito. Look, I'm seeing there's a lot of food in the table. So, maraming, sabihin na natin, this could be a blessing. This could be a blessing with the Empress. And ibinibigay yan, especially the Queen of Cups is here. No? The Wands is here. So, dalawa lang yung pwede mong marating. And you will, kumbaga, after mo ma-accomplish or malagpasan kung ano man itong challenge na ito, dalawa lang yung pwede mong marating. And both of these choices, nakakita tayo ng choices is very beautiful. Sabihin na natin, nagkakaroon ng challenges ngayon, pero pag nalagpasan mo to, magiging maganda yung outcome, magiging maganda yung kalalabasan, magiging maganda yung pagpipilian mo, and magiging maganda yung mararating mo. Pero after nitong challenge na ito, kailangan mong mamili kung saan dito yung gusto mong maging buhay, kung alin dito yung I don't know, some of you, something to do with career, na pwedeng, ano kaya yung mas dapat kong pag-focusan, etc. I feel like you can try both. Pwede mong itry pareho, and then pwede mong alisan na lang, kung hindi mo masyadong na-feel. or tanggalin na lang. Or, I can see some of you, you can do both. So, alam mo yan you can do both. Pero it's a very beautiful direction kung saan ka papunta ngayon. You're heading the right direction. May mga blockage lang, may mga nakaharang lang or nagiging challenge lang. But pag na after this, after you overcome itong challenge na ito, definitely maganda ang mararating mo. Just have faith. You do have your faith. So, magtiwala ka lang. Okay? Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Tingnan natin, anong paparating sa buhay mo? Tell me more. Paparating sa buhay ni Virgo. Anong paparating sa buhay ni Virgo? You do have your 5 of Wands. Clarify the 5 of Wands, please. Page of Cups. Tell me about this. King of Swords. And at the bottom of the deck is Ace of Swords. I feel like, nakita tayo dito ng kaguluhan. Honestly, yung iba, it's not that big deal. Nakakita lang tayo ng pag-aaway. Maybe, hindi ko masabi kung younger or older person Kasi yung iba sa inyo, mas bata. Yung iba, mas matanda. But, if it's a kid or a younger person, pwedeng pag-aaway because sa something na iniisip or gustong mangyari nitong batang to, no? Maybe this is a teenager or maybe someone na hindi maganda yung pag-iisip niya or maybe na pwede magdulot ng away. Some of you, if it's an older person, nakita tayo dito ng pwedeng kasi may mga itinatago na pwedeng makita or malaman or pag-aaway na parang I feel like this will create pag sa bigger or sa older person, nakita tayo ng medyo ikaw yung umiintindi, parang ganun. Pero tell me about this. What's with the King of Swords and the 5 of Wands? The Devil is here. I see this as a person who is very manipulative. Minamanipula ka niya Siya yung nasusunod lagi. Parang ganun. And meron kang freedom or possible na magkaroon ka ng freedom or way para makaalis dito sa taong ito. I can see you na magkakaroon ka ng way or lusot kung paano ka makakaalis sa taong to. Because in the past, maybe hindi mo kayang umalis sa kanya. Or hindi mo kayang kumawala sa power niya na siya yung nasusunod sa'yo. And this old person, maybe hindi mo pa kayang mag-create ng change in the past, pero in the future, I can see you making a change dito sa inyo. No? I feel like may kapasidad ka na or kakayahan ka ng magkaroon ng pagbabago. Because you can no longer wait anymore. Parang hindi mo na kayang hintayin pa. No? Or nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway or pagkakagulo dito because nakikita natin ang hindi makaintindi at medyo makitid ang utak ay yung taong yon, kung sino man yon, na nagiging dahilan na pwedeng yung pagkakagulo or pag-aaway or pwedeng ito hindi naman siya pag-aaway or pagkakagulo but rather galit mo dito sa taong to kung paano siya mag-isip. And nakikita natin na magkakaroon ka ng way out. Makakaalis ka. Pwedeng makakaalis ka dito. And nasa iyo yung choice actually. Nasa iyo ang choice. That is what is coming for you pagdating sa pwedeng challenge. Take only what resonates. Alin man dun. Kasi dalawa yung tinukoy ko eh. Dalawa yung sinabi kong senaryo. So, pwedeng yung may kinalaman sa bata or may kinalaman doon sa matanda. Tell me about a Virgo in love. Who is this person? Nakakonect ni Virgo. Kukuha tayo messages dito ha. Oh, this person really do loves you. Nakakita ko ng messages dito with the Page of Wands and the Seven of Coins. This person maaring either waiting for you na mag-message or makipag-communicate, or siya ito na would like na makipag-communicate, gusto niya makipag-communicate, or itong person na ito is kasalukuyang Ace of Cups is here, so this person really do loves you. I feel like this person is may piniprepare siya na something for you. Nakakita ko ng person ng aasar or mapang-asar. So, yeah. Tell me about this. King of Wands is here. The Ten of Coins. This person wants to I feel like this person wants to invest. Pwedeng sa'yo or maybe with a particular business. So, ayun yung nakikita natin dyan. Or this person is willing to help you kung may problema ka. And ang tanong is kung sasabihin mo ba yung problema mo. Pero if you need help, this person is willing to help you. Saan dapat mag-ingat si Virgo when it comes to love or material things? The Eight of Swords is here. Seven of Wands and the Two of Coins. Regarding sa mga plano mo, regarding sa priorities mo, regarding sa career mo, some of you, wag mo ipakita. Kailangan tago, kailangan wag sabihin. Yan, yung mga plano, etc. The Seven of Wands is here. Kasi kayang-kaya mong i-handle ito ng mag-isa eh. I mean, hindi ko nakikita yung point ng mga taong pagsasabihan mo or kailangan makaalam nito. Alam mo yun, hindi ko nakikita kung anong papel nila. Bakit kailangan nila makita? Ba't kailangan nila malaman? Ganun. Magpapabigat lang sila or magpapahirap lang sila ng emosyon mo or ng, sa halip na mapapabilis, medyo mapapabagal. At saka isa pa, pwedeng hindi nila makikita yung point of view mo. Hindi nila maintindihan kung anong gusto mong mangyari. Hindi nila maintindihan. Kumbaga, hindi nila nauunawaan ng lubos ang sitwasyon. So, wala silang maitutulong sa kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo. So, ito nakikita natin na as a challenge na kung ano man yan, not actually a challenge, pero dapat mong pagkaingatan is, kumbaga maybe a secret. Maybe you have to think of this na parang sariling diskarte mo to. Sariling priorities mo to. Hindi naman sila makakatulong. You don't have to tell them kung anong mangyayari, anong nangyayari, etc. Hindi naman sa wala silang pakialam. Pero ang nakikita natin, wala kasi silang maitutulong. Wala naman silang magagawa. I mean, mas kakayanin mo ito mag-isa. Yun na lang. Kasi pwedeng sila pa yung makagulo sa'yo. And nakita tayo ng abundance, a lot of money, coming, especially na kung makakaalis ka doon sa iyong yeah, for some of you, yung kwento ko kanina tungkol doon sa matanda. If you are dealing with someone who is old and manipulating you, kung makakaalis ka dito, nakakita tayo ng success, money, abundance for you. No? Kailangan mo lang talagang umalis. Knight of Coins is here and you can see the horse here, so it's like pwedeng yung iba natagalan, pwedeng nangyari na natagalan yung pag-alis, but I can see na pwedeng magkaroon ng pagkakataon. And I feel like itong pagkakataon na to, hindi na siya masasara. Yung pagkakataon na yon na ikaw ay, kasi meron yung pagkakataon na, di ba, isang, ano lang, once lang dadating. Pero ito hindi. Nakikita natin ito as continuous na pagkakataon para ikaw ay makaalis. Nasa sayo lang yon. Maybe kung kailan ka magte-take ng risk, kung kailan mo ito gagawain, itong pag-alis na ito, o yeah, pwedeng nasa sayo ang desisyon. So, and what will happen in the future for the sign of Virgo, please? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. What will happen in the near future for you? In the near future for Virgos. Faith is here. So, maganda to. Spiritually, may growth yung iba sa inyo. You will be more aligned sa iyong subconscious mind. Yung iba sa inyo, mas pinaniniwalaan mo na ngayon ang iyong spiritual gift. Yung iba ko, may gift ka spiritually. If you can connect with your subconscious mind, with your spirit guides and angel guides, nakikita natin na mas pinaniniwalaan mo na ito ngayon. And in the near future, may growth, no? Nakikita tayo dito spiritually for you. And you do have your Knight of Wands. So, some of you nakakakita tayo dito. Yeah, napakalakas ng iyong, yung iba, yung kung ano man yung mga kakayahan mo, mailalabas mo na ito. Talento mo, galing mo, at yun nga, spiritually nakikita natin yung kakayahan mo, yung if spiritually I'm seeing a very spiritual person here. So, nailalabas mo yung galing mo dyan. Okay? Nakikita natin yan. Now, with the Palace of Coins, this is you. Alam mo yung mga toxic na tao sa paligid mo, nakikita natin hindi ka na nila kaya. Hindi ka na nila kayang pabagsakin. That's what I'm seeing here. I can see them hanggang tingin na lang sila. They are envying you. They see you as lagi kasi silang nakamasid I don't know, maraming chismosa ako nakikita dito. It's like, ang daming nakatingin sa buhay mo, ang daming nakatingin, if you do have a business, ang daming nakatingin sa negosyo mo, ang daming naiinggit, ang daming toxic. 10 of Cups is here. When it comes to family, I can see new beginnings for some of you na pwedeng magpapahirap. I don't know if it is you na mahihirapan or yung parte or miyembro ng family mo. Some of you ganon. And kung hindi man mahihirapan, some of you, this could mean baby kasi nakakita tayo ng family dito and a new beginning, and it's material, so makikita. Some of you pag incoming na pagdadating ng anak or baby, and I can see the 10 of Wands, medyo magiging responsibilidad dito, medyo magiging mahirap, ano? But the 9 of Cups is here. It is something na kailangan i-celebrate. You know? So, yeah, it's something na kailangan i-celebrate. So, some of you, pagdating ng baby yon, and that could be will be part of your family in the near future for the sign of Virgo. Page of Coins is here. Yeah. I can see high chance of you na may paparating na bagong miyembro or baby here. And the 4 of Coins is here, so kailangan pag-ipunan. So, some of you, pwedeng may news about pregnancy. And yeah, the Six of Wands is here. This is like victory. Na yung iba pwedeng itago muna, but kailangan, nakikita natin dito, kailangan alisan or tanggalin yung problema or harapin yung problema. So, kailangan ipamalita or sabihin. Ganun. Anyway, in the near future, pagdating sa career for Virgo, Ten of Wands is here. Nine of Cups, and one more card. Knight of Swords. Nakita ko ng upcoming travel para sa iba sa inyo. Some of you, may nakikita ko ditong a person na parang dati pabigat, pwedeng ganun. Pero nakakita tayo ng success dito sa taong to. Kasi pwedeng dati pabigat, pero soon, pwedeng siya yung maging mabilis or maging nakakita tayo ng mabilisang success once na kumilo, sabihin na natin, itong taong ito. And I feel like this person is focusing on money or being like a hardworking person. There's a tower moment here, so something is going to end, may matatapos. Some of you pwedeng may paglipat ng bahay, Palace of Swords or Three of Coins. Yeah, I feel like this person, hindi ko ito nakikitang ikaw but this person, nakikita natin na there's growth pagdating sa finances, especially nga na ang i-end niya dito is pwedeng yung mindset niya. Pwedeng ang i-end niya dito yung mindset niya, kung paano siya kumilos, gumalaw, yon. Nakikita natin na itong taon to ay makikinig sa'yo, sa sasabihin mo. And the Five of Cups is here. Kung sino man yung mga tao nagja-judge, like I can see people na mahalaga din sa'yo na nagja-judge dito sa taong to. But there's an upgrade or advancement. He or she will be the emperor. Hindi na nila siya pwedeng maliitin or tignan na hindi maganda dahil nakakita tayo dito ng growth. Okay? And the moon is here. So, yeah, yung iba sa inyo more on spiritual gift ang binibigay sa'yo. And you have to follow that spiritual gift kasi yung spiritual gift mo yung magli-lead sa iyo sa success. Yan. Sila yung magbibigay sa iyo ng kumbaga malakas naman talaga pakiramdam mo pagdating sa desisyon, the Two of Swords at mga new beginnings. What you have to do is you don't need to see, hindi mo na kailangan tignan pa, malaman pa, makita pa kung ano yung mga bagay na nagpapahirap sa'yo, but rather, ramdam mo naman yun ramdam mo naman yun. And you have to use your spiritual gift. And, hanggat hindi mo kasi ito ginagamit, lalo ka nahihirapan. Okay? I can see an upcoming visitor for some of you. So, may mga dadating na bisita sa buhay mo and pwedeng ito ay magbibigay ng malaking impluensya sa'yo sa kung ano yung mga magiging desisyon mo. But sabi ko nga, use your intuition. Yung pakiramdam mo, yung spiritual gift mo. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Sana nakarelate kayo, nakaresonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Dapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.